Welcome to this detailed pharmacology lecture on phenyramine injection 22.75 mg per milliliter. Phenyramine is a first-generation antihistamine widely used in emergency settings for allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, and drug-induced hypersensitivity. In this video, we will cover its pharmacology, dosage, indications, side effects, contraindications, precautions, drug interactions, and monitoring parameters. Generic and brand names. Phenyramine maleate is the generic name. It is commonly available under the brand name Avil injection, which is widely used in hospitals across India and other countries. Drug classification. Phenyramine belongs to the first-generation H1 antihistamines. These drugs block histamine-mediated allergic responses and also cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to sedative effects. Dosage form and strength. Phenyramine injection is available as a clear solution with a strength of 22.75 mg per milliliter. A standard 2 milliliter ampoule contains 45.5 mg of the drug. Route of administration. Phenyramine can be administered intramuscularly or as a slow intravenous injection. Rapid IV administration should be avoided due to the risk of hypertension. Adult dose. In adults, the usual dose is 25 to 45.5 mg given intramuscularly or slowly intravenously. The dose may be repeated depending on the severity of symptoms. Pediatric dose. In children, phenyramine is given at a dose of approximately 0.5 mg per kilogram, not exceeding the adult dose. Mechanism of action. Phenyramine works by competitively blocking H1 histamine receptors. This prevents histamine-induced vasodilation, capillary permeability, itching, and bronchoconstriction. Pharmacological actions. Besides its anti-allergic action, phenyramine also has sedative and antiemetic properties due to its central nervous system effects. Pharmacokinetics. Phenyramine has a rapid onset of action after injection. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, is metabolized in the liver, and excreted through the kidneys. Indications. Phenyramine injection is used in acute allergic reactions, urticaria, angioedema, insect bites, and as an adjunct in anaphylaxis along with adrenaline. Side effects. Common side effects include drowsiness, dizziness, and dry mouth. Serious reactions may include hypertension and anticholinergic effects such as urinary retention. Contraindications. Phenyramine is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity, narrow-angle glaucoma, and prostatic hypertrophy due to its anticholinergic effects. Precautions. Caution is advised in asthma, heart disease, elderly patients, and during pregnancy due to increased sensitivity to sedative effects. Drug-drug interactions. Phenyramine enhances the sedative effects of alcohol and other CNS depressants. Anticholinergic drugs may worsen adverse effects. Drug-food interaction. There are no significant food interactions, but alcohol should be strictly avoided as it increases sedation. Monitoring parameters. Patients should be monitored for blood pressure, sedation level, respiratory function, and improvement of allergic symptoms. Special populations. Phenyramine should be used cautiously in pregnancy and lactation. Pediatric dosing must always be weight-based. Thank you so much for watching this detailed pharmacology lecture. I hope this video helped you clearly understand the clinical uses, dosing, mechanism of action, side effects, precautions, drug interactions, and monitoring parameters in a simple, exam-oriented, and clinically relevant manner. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth pharmacology and emergency medicine content for medical, pharmacy, and nursing students. Your support truly motivates me to continue creating high-quality educational videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see next, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you once again for your valuable time, and I'll see you in the next video.